Arts, or the CCP, is a government-owned and controlled corporation created for the preservation, promotion, enhancement, and development of Philippine culture. The CCP has continued to expand the reach of its programs to recognize artistic excellence, discover and nurture Filipino artists, enhance interest and appreciation of Philippine arts, and create greater opportunities for cultural expression. For more than 50 years, the CCP main building, Katanghalang Pambansa, has served as the country's principal venue for showcasing the Philippines' diverse culture as well as cultures from other parts of the world. The CCP produces and presents at least 400 shows and events in a year, with hundreds of thousands of people in attendance at the CCP complex and in other venues throughout the country. It has also made its offerings available online, expanding its reach. The CCP has led in the creation of original works in dance, music, theater, visual arts, literature, and film. It has nurtured artists who have been recognized for their pioneering works and mastery of their craft. The CCP supports outstanding performing groups in the different arts. The Philippine Philharmonic Orchestra, or the PPO, is the country's premier symphonic orchestra composed of leading instrumental musicians. It has played not only at the CCP, but also in performance spaces in and out of the country with internationally renowned conductors and soloists. The CCP also supports groups involved in different art forms such as traditional and folk dance, ballet, and contemporary dance, theater, choral music, and visual arts, among others. Throughout the year, the CCP presents various festivals that bring together thousands of artists and even more audiences and participants, such as the Pasinaya, considered the country's largest multi-arts festival. In collaboration with various partners, the CCP presents other long-running festivals, such as the Virgin Lab Fest, an annual showcase of previously untried, untested, and unstaged plays. The Cinemalaya Philippine Independent Film Festival, which has been recognized locally and internationally for its contribution to Philippine cinema. The CCP Gawad para sa alternatibong pelikula at video that has encouraged new and promising filmmakers. And the Andrea O. Veneracion International Choral Festival, which is among the component festivals of the Asian Choral Grand Prix. The CCP recognizes artists who push the boundaries of artistic expression. The 13 Artists Awards has become the launching pad of the careers of visual artists whose works are now recognized in Asia and the world. The Gawad CCP para sa Sining is the CCP's highest award, given to artists and cultural practitioners. As it remains true to the purposes and objectives for which it was created, the CCP continues to develop and sustain the best of Filipino artistic and cultural experiences, while embodying the values of truth, beauty, and goodness, katotohanan, kagandahan, kabutihan.
Ito ang ating naging tahanan. Tahanan na kumakalinga sa sining at kultura ng bawat Pilipino. Nakatindig sa ating harapan, patuloy na nililinang at inaalagaan ng sining at kultura ng ating bayan, ang Sentrong Pangkultura ng Pilipinas. Ito ang tahanan ng sining at kultura. Tahanan na kakalinga sa mga susunod pang henerasyon. Ito ang ating pamana. Tunghayan natin ang naging paglikha sa CCP Pasinaya 2026. Isang pamana na magpapaalala na sa bawat paglikha, ang bata ang bukas. Sa nagdaang 2 araw, nasilayan natin ang pagbubukas ng buwan ng sining sa Sentrong Pangkultura ng Pilipinas sa pagdaraos ng Pasinaya. Ang pagdiriwang natin ngayong gabi ay hudyat na ang espasyo kung saan maaaring nakibahagi, maging artista o manonood ay nagpapakita ng pagpapahalaga sa susunod na salinlahi. Dito natin inaani ang punla para sa kinabukasan. Ang inyong napanood ay mula sa kadhani nila pambansang alagad ng sining Ryan Cayabyab at manonulat Rene O. Villanueva, kasama ang Marikina Dance Guild sa pagsasanib ng Philippine Magical Singers at ng Philippine Philharmonic Orchestra para sa Bata ang Bukas. Ang selebrasyon ng pagdiriwang ay okasyon para ipagbunyi ang pagkamakabansa. Ito ay isang piging, hindi pagtatapos, bagkus isang pagpapatuloy sa pagsasama-sama natin para sa paglikha. Isang selebrasyon ng kaisahan na nagtataguyod ng kasaganahan at yaman ng kulturang Pilipino. Ipapamalas natin ang diwa ng pagkakaisa at pagpapahalaga sa pamamagitan ng sayaw ng isang grupong may mataas na pamantayan para sa pagsasaliksik at pangangalaga ng tradisyonal na sayaw Pilipino. Itinatag ng pambansang alagad ng sining na si Ramon Arevalo Obusan noong 1972, malakas ang panalig ng grupo sa yaman ng kulturang Pilipino. Itong malakas na panalig ang nagdala sa grupo sa pandaigdigang pagkilala. Sa kanilang pagtatanghal ng Dinuya, isang sayaw selebrasyon mula sa Ifugao na nagpapakita ng ating kalooban, bumibigkis. Tunghayan natin ang Ramon Obusan Folkloric Group.